Number 3, there's the hero project mentality. That's a good one. Those are the people that are always telling you how horrible it is in their workplace. And when you ask them why they don't leave, they're like, well, I'm currently working on this one big project and I want to finish that first. And this comes with this responsibility for something that is actually not 100% yours. Because let's be honest, even in big projects, people get fired without notice, and they get fired no matter how important they are in the project, because for a company it's ultimately important to not rely on individuals. So the company is always, let's say, ready to replace you no matter how high performing you are. And at the same time, sometimes high performers do attach those hero projects to their worth. Because they might get some spotlight from top management, they think that if they really are successful, everything will change for them. Well, spoiler alert, if the system is not setting you up for success, it will not set you up for success later. And by the way, can you really be sure that the whole credit for this amazing project is gonna land on you? Or might there be some manager in between that will grab away all of the credit and leave you only with the hustling tasks and the credit for that, so that you just look like the hustler and keep on being the go-to person for the stuff that is really hard to do, that needs a lot of attention to detail, but that will not get you ahead in your career.